Yeah, you.
How are you?
Hi, Sierra.
Hi, Sierra. Oh, she's standing up.
Hi. What do you have?
Mom, Mommy.
Just a second. Hold on.
Get him to blender to hold them up. Because I need to take a picture.
I thought you were going to do that.
But picture, Mommy.
Mommy, you tricked me.
Mommy.
Mommy, you tricked me.
Okay, hold on. You've got a train in your mouth. That's silly. Here. Don't.
Why?
Because. Yay! Good job. Now you still have a train in your mouth. You still have a train in your mouth. What are you doing with it? There you go.
Oh.
Hooray, Sierra! Yeah.
Mom, you know what Daddy told me?
What did he tell you?
Go like this.
Oh, to zoom in and out?
Zoom in and out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was very smart. It's a good trick. There you go.
Easy.
Boom.
Good one.